Hey there, it's Eric Evenstad at bootstrapbizgrowth.com, and in this video I'm going to tell you about 3 different types of videos that you can make even if you're a complete beginner. So if you want to enter into the world of video marketing, which is a great place to be, it's a great way to build attention around your business and get the word out and build trust and build authority. If you want to start doing video marketing, these are 3 different types of videos that are going to be perfect for you when you're just starting out. So they're easy to use, they're easy to implement, and it's just easy to get started all around, which makes it a home run for you. And so let's just dive in and talk about them right now. The first one is called a talking head video, and that's essentially what this is right here. So I'm looking at you, looking into my camera and talking. And so, you know, I can tell my story, I can tell you about a specific topic, I can educate, and you would do the exact same thing. So to do a talking head video, you could just grab your phone and talk into the video camera and record it like that. You can get a webcam, which is what I'm using here. You can get a fancy DSLR camera if you're trying to get really serious and get some really great video footage. But a phone really works great. So everybody has a smartphone these days, so just whip out that phone, turn it around and talk into the lens, and you're going to have a really great talking head video. You can also get some really helpful teleprompters that will make it easier for you to remember what you need to say, because you can kind of read along and create a script. And one of my favorite apps to do this is called Oratory, and this only works on Android. I think Apple has some other ones that work really well, but Oratory is one that I really like. I'll link to another video that I created that shows you how to use Oratory. So that can be really helpful. You can also find a ton of free teleprompter websites for if you're using your webcam. So look into that as well. Just do a quick Google search for free teleprompter websites, and you'll see a bunch of options where you can copy and paste your script in, and then I'll just read it on your screen so you can kind of read along while you're doing your video, and people will think you're looking right into them, but really you're reading. So these are worth looking into. They make it really simple to do these talking head videos, and simple is good. The second type of video that we can create is called a screencast video. And what this is where you actually share your screen and you talk along as you're showing your audience how to do something. So I'll show you an example of this. I'm going to share my screen right now. What I'll do is I'm going to pull up another browser tab here, and there we go. So right now you can see my screen. I'm just recording it as I go, talking through things. I can show you how to do different things on my screen, and you can just follow along. So this makes it really easy to educate your audience on a specific tool, or to show them something specific on your computer screen. This is one that I really love. I love to give tutorials. I love to show people how to do things. So this is one of my favorites, and it's really easy because you don't really need to be looking into the camera lens for this. You can just kind of be following along, do what you do on a typical basis, and just kind of talk through the process. So I use this again to do all my tutorial videos, and this is really helpful when I'm talking with clients and showing them how to do specific things. It's helpful when I'm creating how-to videos for my YouTube channel. So love screencasts. These are really easy, and to do them I use a tool called Screencast-O-Matic, which is a free video recording tool. You can easily record your screen just like this, so I recommend that you try this one out. It is really a great tool, and they also have a paid plan with some really great features as well. That is something like $3 a month or something, $4 a month or $1.50 a month for some paid plans. So you can get more elaborate, more complex, more features with those paid plans, but the free plan really does work great, and that will probably be all you need, especially if you're just getting started. The third type of video that I want to talk about is something that I just call slide presentations. And so this is very similar to a screencast, but instead of showing a tutorial video or showing how to do something, you actually create a PowerPoint slide and you walk through it. So here's a PowerPoint presentation I've created for my online course on outsourcing. So I could just come up here, click present, and now what I can do is, while I'm recording my screen, so I'm still doing that screen recording, that screencast, while I'm recording my screen, I'm just going to go through this PowerPoint and talk through it just like I'm giving a presentation to a live audience. So, the title of this slide is Outsourcing Overview, and then we get into what outsourcing is, and, just go through all of these different slides, and I'd slowly talk through it and explain everything. And so this is another really great way to educate people, show your expertise, give some sort of a presentation or information that builds that authority, builds that trust. So this is a really great, easy way to do video marketing. This is also one of my favorites. And again, I recorded my entire online course using this method right here, just doing slides and talking through it and explaining everything, and then occasionally pulling up the screen tutorials where I show people how to do specific tasks. So these are the 3 types of videos that I recommend for beginners that are super easy. It doesn't take a lot of work. It doesn't take a lot of expertise or fancy tools. Just get started, pick one, go with it, dive in, and I think you're going to see some really great results, and you're going to discover that it really is super simple to do video marketing. So I hope this has been valuable. I hope you go out, take some action, create some videos. They're not going to be perfect right away. That's okay. Just get started and you'll get better as you go. I promise you that. So if you have found value in this video, I would love it if you would scroll down, give me a thumbs up down below. Let me know how we're doing. If this is something that you like, if you want to see more of this type of video, give us that thumbs up. And I would love it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are pumping out a ton of great content for business owners that want to grow their business on a budget. So entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, we work with those types of people creating side hustles, and we help them grow on a budget. So we talk about affordable marketing strategies, how to outsource low value work, productivity tips, helpful tips and tools and tactics and technology that are going to make your life easier as an entrepreneur. So hit that big red button down below, sign up for our YouTube channel, get notified about our videos when they come out. And lastly, I just want to thank you for stopping by. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.